This is Texas 132, and here are my apartment buildings. Sorry for the shakiness. Trying to hold the phone and not drop it. So here's the actual Lego set. I changed the staircase. Don't think I changed anything else on the front. So I wanted to copy it and make at least two more. So I made one in medium purple and one in dark pink. So the only piece I'm missing is right here. I still need two dark purple or medium purple lavender slopes. So my idea was to make it so that my niece can spin this around so my niece can play. So I made a little hinge. A little bedroom up top and a kitchen area down low. So I think that looks pretty cool. Then I realized my nephew would want to play too, so I turned this one into a hinge. Made the bottom hinge open and the top hinge open because I want them all to still be able to sit next to each other on the street. This one is going to be the last on the block, so the hinges outside were okay. Had to rearrange a few things on this one so the hinges could be inside, here and here. I changed the window area up. So I have a bedroom up here like the other one, the kitchen, and then I left the fireplace in this one. Hopefully that won't be a problem when they play with them. Just lost the chimney. So what else was I gonna say? Oh, it was about $88, $90 to get all the pieces for these two, and then a few random pieces I needed for this to finish off all the buildings. Because I already had a bunch of bricks, which I was happy. So then the shipping for all the different orders, 5 or 6 orders, was like around $20, shippings and taxes. Maybe $25. So it was about probably $120-ish to do these two buildings, which isn't bad at all. So thank you for watching this short video, and I will see you next time.